Hey there! Here we have the brand new Nokia 3.4 and in this video we will unbox it and see what's inside. Let's begin! So this is the box the Nokia 3.4 comes in, and it's a rather nice looking box. Let's see all the features it has. Okay, so it comes already with Android 11, however it also has minimum of 2 years guaranteed Android upgrades, so you will probably get at least Android 12 as well, so that's pretty cool. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 processor, rather large 6.4 HD plus screen, various cameras such as 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel for rear cameras, 5 megapixel ultra wide camera and 8 megapixel front camera, as well as portrait mode and night mode. By the way, night mode usually comes only on flagship phones, so to see this feature on this ultra budget phone is quite something. Also, what's this? A 4000 mAh battery. That's actually pretty awesome. And so you can expect this phone to last quite long for you. Alright, let's open the box and see what's inside. It has got 2 seals here. So let's get it open. So that's one. And here's another one. Okay, how do you open it? Probably just slide it out. Oh. Let's set it aside. And this is his phone. You will get inside. It's quite a large phone. Well, not humongous, but still a really nice size. So, what else do you get in this box? You've got this SIM removal tool. We will need that. Let's remove that. So this side. What else is in the box? A Nokia charger. And this compact one, which are pretty cool. By the way, the charger quality looks rather decent. Let's see that output volume for the charger. It's listed as 5 volts at 1 amp, so it's not really that fast charging, but still decent charger. And the USB cable. Getting starter guides. You probably don't need that stuff. Alright, let's set this aside and see the phone itself. We take this. Oh, quite impressive. And this is the back side of it. It has got 3 cameras and rather large looking flash, as well as rear fingerprint sensor. This is a grey color, I think, or charcoal. I'm not sure what was the name. Something like that. Here we have the USB-C charger, which is quite nice on this cheap end. Good job, Nokia. As well as speakers. I'm not sure what's that, but we will see. On this side there is this button, I'm not sure what's that for, and SIM tray. On this side there's your headphone jack, again nice stuff, and you don't really see the stuff on the old high-end phones. Another button and volume up and down. The frame of it looks almost like metal, but it's certainly plastic. But still, it feels really nice in hand. Then there's a Nokia logo over here, and front-facing camera over here. Right. Let's open the SIM tray. As you can see, here we have space for actually 2 SIM cards and a memory card. This is actually really cool, as you can run 2 SIM cards on this phone and has got expandable storage. Again, you rarely see this on flagship phones, which cost like 7 or 8 times this. So good job Nokia, nice. Okay, let's put it in. Try to power on the phone. I suppose this is the button you power it on with. It has Android One system, which is rather clean as well, which I really love. Okay, it's booting up. And Nokia nice logo. Here's probably a speaker of it, right? Okay, I'm not sure why it's displaying some Chinese language. Let's try to change that to English. Okay, let's go. Just press next. No, I don't want that. Now it has a set of fingerprint. We'll probably... Okay, let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's touch the sensor now. It's over here. Need to try a few times. It's saying that I'm moving my finger too slow. I'm not sure what's that about. But takes quite some time to set up. Okay, that's done. Oh, yeah, it even has face unlock, so that's pretty cool as well. We'll skip that. No. And the phone is ready now. So the phone is ready for use now. Let's explore some of the things it has. There are some news apps. As you can see, they're really smooth. Also, as you saw, there are actually not that many apps there, which is great, as usually the budget phones, such as Xiaomi's, have loads of bloatware in them, making the phones slow and not that easy to use. So this near stock Android experience, which is extremely nice. So let's see internet, for example, how fast it is. Let's go back. Let's open up some random article. You can see it's incredibly smooth. I don't really have the fastest internet, but still, it opens up the websites really fast. As fast as any flagship would. So, good news. Go back. What else is on phone? Let's see the camera app. It's fairly standard camera app. Video. And here you can see that it has that night sight function. So that's really cool. Let's open the maps and see how smooth they are. Okay. Found my location almost instantly. And scrolling through them is really fast as well. Very nice. Let's open YouTube. And YouTube loads almost instantly as well. As you can see, there's almost no lag there. Very smooth experience indeed. Let's open some 4K video. Some ads playing, yeah. Yeah, go to watch some ads. Alright, let's change to full screen. There's one single speaker here. If you put a finger on it, the sound really dampens. However, the screen quality is extremely nice as well. And viewing angles are also great. There are some reflections from my lights there, so it might not look the best, but in reality it's really great. And playback is nice as well. So the YouTube experience was really good on this phone. Let's see what else you can see. Let's try some games. Subway Surfers. See how fast it loads. That's quite a volume. So. Then. Okay, I don't really want to watch ad. Okay, so yeah, simple games like this, fairly good though. Let's go back. And okay, also let's see some samples of some simple apps. Everything's going really fast. Let's see some text message speed. Yep, autocorrect also is really fast, and everything's really fast on this phone. I mean, you really couldn't tell that this is around 100-pound phone. Everything works pretty much fine on it. Also, I have to say again, the build quality is really excellent on this phone, and it feels in hand also just superb. It doesn't really feel cheap in hand. It's really well made. And it looks actually fairly good as well. I mean, it has everything you need on the phone. So if you are looking for cheap phone, this might be your best bet, as it doesn't really feel cheap or slow or anything like that. It's ideal daily driver for someone who's looking for a basic phone which won't break the bank. Also, this is a Google Pixel 2. It's like 3 years old phone, and it was a flagship at the time. However, compare the bezel thickness of these. Okay, so I hope this was helpful, and if you want to actually see the full review, this is Nokia 3.4, make sure to subscribe, as I'll be releasing a new video in about 2 or 3 days. And if you've got any questions about this phone, just leave them in the below. Okay, see you!